Marietta Square Market is what I'm approaching. It is now evening time, so this is like a dinner thing. So here's what I'm looking at. There are, you said like 20 different restaurants in here? So there's like 20 different restaurants inside of the Marietta Square Market. It's pretty cute. There's a place called Just Loaf'n, and they sell alligator. And alligator is something that I've been wanting to try for years. So here's an alligator. So these are alligator bites. I'm not sure what this is. It's probably like a Cajun seasoning or something. Sauce, dipping sauce. That's the alligator. I'm gonna get my reusable cutlery out my bag, and we're gonna get a first taste of alligator. First taste of some gator. Okay, alligator is really good. Alright, sauce time, sauce time. Are you laughing at me?
Yes.
Okay, alligator in the sauce. So alligator is definitely something that I'd eat again. Hopefully when I go to Louisiana. The alligator from Just Loaf'n, right? That's what it's called? Alligator from Just Loaf'n. For the win.